Tion here at AP3. Today, we have something really special in the shop. This is the Lamborghini Revuelto, the latest in Lamborghini's V12 flagship series. It's not just a supercar, it's a technological marvel, painted in this stunning factory matte green finish. Unlike glossy paint, which can be polished to remove swirls and scratches, a matte finish can't be touched up in the same way. That's why it's almost mandatory to protect a factory matte finish with a full Xpel Stealth PPF. This PPF not only preserves the original look of the matte paint, but also acts as a sacrificial layer, taking on all the road debris, washing marks, and everyday wear and tear. Without it, this matte paint job would start to diminish after just a year or two of driving. At AP3, we specialize in protecting incredible vehicles like this one. Our team ensures that your car's finish remains flawless, so you can enjoy it for years to come. If you're considering PPF for your vehicle, especially if it has a matte finish, give us a call or visit our shop. Protect your investment with the best. Protect it with AP3.